Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to find your Wix sitemap and submit it on Google. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Wix website. So this is my Wix website, and now after your domain give a slash and type here sitemap.xaml and hit enter. So after that, here you will get your Wix website sitemap, and now let's see how to submit it on Google. Okay, now here you have to open search.google.com/Google Console. So after opening your Google Console, you have to verify your ownership, and now click on Sitemaps. So enter your Wix website sitemap here and then click on submit, and your website will be submitted on Google Console. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.